Have you ever spent more time searching for a session than actually using it? In this video, we'll look at two search tools built into Remote Desktop Manager Free: the search and filter bar and the advanced search, so you always find what you need instantly. Let's start with the search and filter bar, your fastest shortcut to entries in your vault. It lives right in the navigation pane. Just start typing, and Remote Desktop Manager instantly filters the tree view in real time. Type VPN and watch the results update as you type. Select one of the entries to view its details. Using partial names or tags will help you get broader results. RDM also includes a quick search overlay. Press Ctrl plus space to open it. This one goes further. It searches across entries, vaults, tabs, tools, and data sources all at once, without the tree view. Use it when you need to jump to something fast, regardless of where it lives. Now, when you need more control, Advanced Search is your go-to tool. You can search by connection type, folder, tags, date last updated, and more, with multiple conditions active at the same time. So open the Advanced Search in the ribbon, set the filters to connection type set to RDP, last update date set to the last 30 days, and tags set to production. Click search and the filtered list appears right away. You can even save your search with the save button and reload it anytime using load. Tags aren't just decoration. If you constantly tag your entries by clients, environment, or function, you will supercharge your search results. Tag a few entries with client A and staging, for example, then return an advanced search using those tags. The results instantly highlight only the entries that match both tags. And that's how you take control of your Remote Desktop Manager workspace. With the search and filter bar, quick search, and advanced search in your toolkit, you will never waste time hunting for entries again. In the next activity, we will build playlists, custom workflows you can run with a single click.